Experiencing frequent disconnects with your Spectrum router? The two most common culprits are interference and outdated or buggy firmware. Interference occurs when other devices disrupt your Wi Fi signal. This can be caused by neighboring Wi Fi networks, Bluetooth devices, microwaves, and even 5G signals. Firmware is the software that runs your router. Bugs or outdated versions can cause memory leaks, overheating, and incompatibility issues, leading to drops. To start troubleshooting, use the Spectrum app to run a speed test and check for unusually low speeds. Also, access your router's logs via 192.168.1.1 to look for error codes like DHCP timeout or firmware corruption. Determining if it's interference or firmware is key to troubleshooting further. Once you've identified the likely cause, here's how to fix it. For interference, try changing your Wi-Fi channel. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find less congested channels. Relocate your router away from metal objects, walls, and other electronic devices. For firmware issues, the first step is to update your router's firmware via the Spectrum website or app. If that fails, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 30 seconds. This will restore the router to its default settings, and you can then attempt to reinstall the firmware. Keep in mind, AI is being integrated into routers to reduce disconnects. Mesh systems are another solution to deal with interference.